Tuke Kipchumba Murkomen osingo maketo maino ebero Tuke pachoka kolose nyim kamati mar od Senate kutenore kod Tuke oyango ni chike mone obedi kinde mokadho dwaro bero kamoting'o manyo talanta kor gweng abiro bero Tuke go duto kendo duogo sura mar Kenya e Tuke kidienje duto e piny mangima.
And so there has been a process that has gone on over the years, almost 2 years or so, even before my predecessor came to office. And now we think that we should conclude this process by December. Stop sponsoring village tournaments that involve, social functions that I see many of us who have been in politics support. Those ones, you cannot identify talent there. The real talent is in the lower age and must be tracked and pushed through the education system and picked now intentionally by the academies that are going to be established, encouraging academies that are run by national government, county governments, and private sector to make sure that we identify this.